Hello all, welcome back to NSA Maths. So today we are going to take the examples on the Cauchy and Legendre differential equation. So see the example: x plus 1 bracket square into d square y by dx square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 sine of log of x plus 1. Now if you see the coefficients of d square y by dx square and dy by dx, so these are the powers of x plus 1. So that means given differential equation is Legendre's linear differential equation, because the coefficients are not powers of x, it is powers of ax plus b. So here the substitution is put ax plus b, that means x plus 1 is equals to e raised to z. This implies z is equals to log of x plus 1, and also this gives the value of x as e raised to z minus 1. After using this substitution, so the value of x plus 1 into dy by dx, it becomes a into capital dy, where capital D is dy dz, independent variable is z, as we learned the theory of Legendre differential equation in the previous lectures. Also the value of x plus 1 bracket square into d square y by dx square, it becomes a square d into d minus 1 times y. Now here value of a is 1, coefficient of x is 1, so value of a is 1, so we will get here capital dy, and here d into d minus 1 times y. So after putting these values, we will get given differential equation as d into d minus 1 times y plus value of this x plus 1 into dy by dx is capital dy plus y is equals to 2 sine of value of log of x plus 1, value of log of x plus 1 is z. So you will get directly here z. So taking y outside, so you will get d into d minus 1, that is d square minus d plus 1 into y is equals to 2 sine z. Minus d plus d get cancelled, so d square plus 1 into y is equals to 2 sine z. Now which is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So we can solve this linear differential equation. So for that, auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is 0. So this implies d square is minus 1. So d is equals to plus or minus root of minus 1, that means plus or minus I. So here alpha is 0 and beta is 1. Therefore CF is, we can write CF directly, C1 cos of Z, independent variable is Z, and beta is 1, and C2 plus C2 sin of Z. Pi is equals to 1 upon phi of D into f of Z. So it is 1 upon phi of D is d square plus 1. F of Z is 2 sin Z. Now 2 can be taken outside, 1 upon d square plus 1 into sin Z. So again f of Z is a function of sine, so we can use the shortcut method for sine function. We know that for sine function shortcut method is d square is replaced by minus of a square. What is value of a here? Coefficient of Z is 1, so value of a is 1, so we have to replace d square by minus 1. So you will get 2 upon, here value of d square is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 into sin Z. So here minus 1 plus 1, you will get 0 in the denominator, that means case of failure. In this case, we have to multiply, for this term we have to multiply numerator by independent variable z. Note down here, we are not going to multiply here by x. Here the independent variable is z. So instead of x, we are going to multiply numerator by x and take a derivative of denominator. Derivative of d square plus 1 is 2d into this sin z as it is. Now this 2 get cancelled, x as it is, and 1 upon d, that means integration of sin z dz. This is we are going to multiply here z, not x, sorry for that. So I already explained you, here independent variable is z, so instead of x we are going to multiply here z. So 2 into z upon derivative of denominator, that is 2d into sin z. So this is z into integration of sin z is minus cos z, so minus z cos z, we will get particular integral. So what is final answer? Y is equals to CF plus PI. CF is C1 cos Z plus C2 sin Z and PI is minus Z cos Z. Resubstituting the values of Z, value of Z is log of x plus 1, or we can also use this substitution, e raised to Z is x plus 1. So right now we are using this substitution, Z is equals to log of x plus 1. We will get C1 cos of Z is log of x plus 1 plus C2 sin of Z is log of x plus 1 minus again value of Z is log of x plus 1 into cos of log of x plus 1. So this is our final solution for given Legendre's differential equation. Now next example. Next example is 2x plus 1 bracket square d square y by dx square minus 2 times 2x plus 1 dy by dx minus 12y is equals to 12x. So again, if you observe the coefficients of d square y by dx square, it is 2x plus 1 bracket square. Coefficient of dy by dx is 2x plus 1. So the coefficients are in the powers of ax plus b. So given differential equation is Legendre's linear differential equation. So in this equation the substitution is put 2x plus 1 is equals to e raised to z. So this implies z is equals to log of 2x plus 1, and also from this if you simplify 2x is equals to e raised to z minus 1, so x is equals to e raised to z minus 1 upon 2. Now after using this substitution, we will get the value of 2x plus 1 into dy by dx. It is a into capital dy. Here value of a is 2, so 2 dy, where d is d by dz. And value of 2x plus 1 bracket square d square y by dx square. It is a square d into d minus 1 times y. Here again a is 2, so it is d square, a square, that is 2 square, it is 4d into d minus 1 times y. So after using this substitution, given differential equation becomes 4d d minus 1y minus 2 times value of 2x plus 1 into dy by dx. It is 2 times dy minus 12y is equals to 12 into x. Value of x we already calculate here. Value of x is e raised to z minus 1 upon 2. E raised to z minus 1 upon 2. Then taking y outside, so you will get multiplication here 4d square minus 4d. Now again this minus 4d minus 12 into y is equals to 12 upon 2, it is 6 e raised to z minus 1. So after simplifying you will get 4d square minus 8d minus 12 into y equals to 6 e raised to z minus 1. Divide throughout by 4, so you will get d square minus 2d minus 6 minus 3 into y is equals to 6 upon 4, that is 3 by 2 e raised to z minus 1, which is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So to solve this, we require to find CF and PI. So for CF, auxiliary equation is d square minus 2d minus 3 equals to 0. So we require two numbers having addition is minus 2 and multiplication is minus 3. So we can write this minus 2 as a d square minus 3d plus d minus 3 equals to 0. Minus 3 and 1, addition is minus 2 and multiplication is minus 3. Now from first two terms we can take d common, so you will get d minus 3, and from last two terms we can take u1 common, so you will get d minus 3 again. So we will get factors d minus 3 and d plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore the roots are d is equals to minus 1 and 3. So both roots are real and non-repeated. Therefore CF is c1 e raised to minus z plus c2 e raised to 3z. Then PI, pi is equals to 1 upon phi of d into f of z. This is equals to 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 into f of z is 3 by 2 e raised to z minus 1. 3 by 2 is the constant term, taking it outside, so you will get 3 by 2 into, and also applying this factor separately on e raised to z and 1, so you will get in bracket 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 e raised to z minus again 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 into 1. Now this 1 can be written as e raised to 0z. Value of 1 is same as e raised to 0z. Now this is equals to 3 by 2. Now here the term is e raised to z, and for this we can use the shortcut method. We can put d is equals to 1 because coefficient of z is 1. And for this term, again e raised to 0z, we can use the shortcut method formula for e raised to ax. A value of a is 0, so you can put here d is equals to 0. So 3 by 2 into bracket, value of d is 1, so you will get d square, and 1 square is 1, minus 2 into 1 it is 2, minus of 3 e raised to z, minus 1 upon d square is 0, minus 2d is 0, so you will get minus 3 e raised to 0 is, e raised to 0z is 1. This is equals to 3 by 2 in bracket 1 minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 4, so minus e raised to z upon 4, and minus minus plus 1 by 3, so that is nothing but minus 3 e raised to z upon 8 plus 1 by 2. So this is our particular integral for given differential equation. Therefore y is equals to cf plus pi. Cf is c1 e raised to minus z plus c2 e raised to 3z, and pi is minus 3 by 8 e raised to z plus 1 by 2. Now again using resubstitution, put or convert z in terms of x. So for that we are going to use the resubstitution. Value of z is log of 2x plus 1, this value. So, and also value of this e raised to minus z and e raised to 3z. So we will get e raised to minus z from this 2x plus 1 bracket raised to minus 1, and e raised to 3z is 2x plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So here y is equals to c1 and 2x plus 1 bracket raised to minus 1 plus c2 2x plus 1 bracket cube minus 3 by 8, value of e raised to z is 2x plus 1 plus that last term 1 by 2 as it is. So this is our final answer for given Legendre's differential equation. So this is all about the examples on Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation. Thank you.